Hello, my name's Laura and I'm one of the teacher trainers on the Trinity College London CertTESOL course. To make this course accessible during these challenging times, we've made a few changes to the way in which the course is delivered. First, we've moved all of our training online. We've divided the online training between a self-paced online course that you can study in your own time and live workshops that you can attend with your fellow trainees and tutors. We've been really careful in developing our online content to ensure that you have the best possible learning experience on this Trinity College London accredited TESOL qualification. Second, we've moved the assignments online. All of the 6 assignments for the CertTESOL qualification are now online, and this means that you get to experience studying a foreign language in live workshops with a tutor as part of your unknown language journal assignment. In addition, you also get to develop online teaching skills in teaching as part of the Teaching Practice Portfolio assignment. Not only will this help to develop your skills in teaching English to speakers of other languages, moving the assignments and also the training input online will help to develop core digital literacy skills that will give you the edge in your future career. Finally, we've provided more support, so we've scheduled additional one-to-one meetings with tutors so that you can get support in your online studies and assignments on this course. By making the CertTESOL course fully online, this means that you can study with us wherever you are in the world. If you're interested in applying for this Trinity CertTESOL qualification, then follow the steps on our website to apply and we'll schedule an online interview to get you started.
We've been doing our classes by webinar instead using Zoom, and it's been interesting. Much more effective than I thought it was going to be. The teachers are great. I mean, they've been so supportive. It shows what effective teaching is.